Hey, classy people, welcome back to the channel. It's Crystal here, Crystal's Classy Life, aka also known as Couponing Crystal, okay? Doing a little couponing today, or Ibotta rebate hauls. If you're not familiar with what Ibotta is, it is a rebate app giving you money back on things you're going to purchase anyway, all right? I have plenty of videos on this channel talking about Ibotta. Okay, but first, let's talk about, I'm going to have a chit chat at the end of this video. So I don't want you all to just watch the rebates and leave. I want you to see, what I'm about to be talking about. Okay, so stay tuned. But first of all, let's jump into these rebates because I had a $5 for a 10 midweek money drop bonus. So I had to do that today or it was going to expire. So I did my 10 rebates. And the great thing about it, I also have a savings so sweet. I'll do 15 rebates and get $5. So basically with those two bonuses, they are going to overlap each other. So the 10 rebates I did tonight is also going to go towards that savings so sweet bonus, which means I only have to do 5 more over the next 4 days, honey. And I'm going to get 5 more bucks. Okay. So let's jump into it. First rebate I got was the Haagen-Dazs vanilla bean ice cream, girls. Okay. This was priced $4.36 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon. You cannot combine a paper coupon with Ibotta anymore. But my savings is a 75 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $3.61. Not too bad for my vanilla bean Haagen-Dazs ice cream. And when we get off of here, I'm going to eat it. The next rebate I decided to do was this McCormick lemon herb simmer and serve sauce. This was priced $1.46 in my Walmart. There was a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.21. Now, I actually made this tonight. It was tight. It was quite tasty. I did like it. It is mixed with 1 cup of milk. So cooks in 5 minutes. I would purchase this again. I actually hope it resets so I can get another pack. The next thing I did was the Dawn dishwashing liquid. I decided to do the Dawn. It was priced at $2.94 in my Walmart. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost for the Dawn $2.41. Great deal because my stockpile of dishwashing liquid is completely diminished, gone, because I have a house guest and they like to wash dishes with the water running. Next, Ibotta rebate. Next Ibotta rebate is the Dean's Creamy Deal. This is a chip dip. I can't wait to try this. I don't remember if I've ever tried this before. If you have, let me know in the comments below. I want to know if it was good. So this one was priced $2.42 in my Walmart. There is a 75 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.67 for the chip dip. Next, I got the Success Rice. Used it tonight. Sure did. This is the boil and bag rice. So I get 4 bags in here. This was priced $2.38 in my Walmart. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost a $1.88. Okay, now I'm going to buy this stuff anyway. I didn't feel like going in Sam's Club, so I didn't get my huge box of minute rice that I usually get. So I said I got to do a rebate anyway. I might as well pick this up. And I like the fact that, this cooks fast because that's all I'm buying is fast cooking stuff, when it comes to rice. Okay. Next, I got the Land O'Lakes garlic and herb butter spread. I was excited about this because they have this in different flavors. Unfortunately, the honey does not work, but there is another one. I will pop a picture up that was actually a few cents cheaper than this one, which will work with the rebate. Okay. This is a 8-ounce tub? No, 6.5 ounce tub of it. Okay, so it was priced $2.64. In my Walmart, there is a 65-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.99. Now, I did use it tonight. I put it in my green beans, and let's open it up so you all can see what it looks like. Ooh, you see that? Can't you just taste that on some yeast rolls? Just saying. All right, or steak. I bet that would be good. All right, so next, I got the Febreze. Okay, got the Febreze. This is the Downy Air Calm Lavender and Vanilla Bean. Oh, it smells so relaxing. And spray your room with it before you get ready to go to bed. Okay, I'm just saying. $3.97 in my Walmart. There is a $2.20 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.77 for the Febreze. Great, great deal. I had a any item Ibotta rebate, so that means any item I purchase, that rebate is going to be 10 cents. So that counts towards my bonuses. It takes up one of my rebates, and I'm getting 10 cents just for shopping, okay? The pennies add up. Don't play. Next rebate I decided to get was the camera's shaking a little bit, but I declare we're going to have to hold it in the road, okay? Because I told y'all I'm using a different tripod, and I think I'm bumping the desk and making it jar, but it's okay. It's not making y'all seasick, is it? The next rebate is the Scope mouthwash. Now, yes, you can get this at CVS, but y'all know I haven't been doing regular CVS shopping, okay? And I must have my mouthwash, okay? So this was $4.97. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $3.97. Not too bad. I'm going to buy it anyway, okay? And I haven't even been to CVS to use my Care Pass, so I have no earthly idea if there's a deal for mouthwash or not. I don't know. Next rebate I decided to get was the Hidden Valley Ranch. This is the restaurant style dressing, little seasoning pack. $1.98. I did have a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.48 for the little ranch pack. Not too shabby at all. Now, the total for everything that I got a total of 9 items. Okay. That was $25.14. What did I get back in rebates? I got $7.30 back in rebates. I got $5 for my midweek money drop, making a total savings of $12.30 back, making my final cost be $12.84 for the 9 items, or about $142 per item. Not too bad at all. I think it was a good Ibotta haul. And the best thing was the fact that those 10 rebates that I got tonight also applied to that. What did I call it? The Saving So Sweet 15 rebates that I need for the $5 more. I've already satisfied 10 of it with doing this haul tonight. So I only need to do 5 more rebates over the next 4 days in order to get $5 more to shop with. Okay. Yeah. So by the time I do that, I'm going to have $20. Okay. So I can go in and cash it out and then buy some more stuff that you're going to buy anyway. Okay. All right, y'all. Now let's get into the chit chat. Why have I started back couponing? I've started back couponing because number 1, things are very expensive. Number 2, I feel like I need to. And number 3, I watched a video with Be My Guest with Denise, and I did feel inspired to go back to my couponing. My couponing was a place of fun for me. I enjoy couponing. I enjoy saving money. One thing that made it be not fun anymore was all the changes that has happened to couponing. But let me still remind you that it's still ways to save with apps like Ibotta and things of that nature. And just being mindful. And I've got video after video after video on here about saving money, about ways to save money. I got a lot on here, but there's still a lot more to talk about. Okay. So if you like it here, I hope you will come back and watch me again, because I'm sure I'm going to be back on here talking about something in my life. Okay. And it's probably going to pertain to something about saving some money, honey, because it's needful, especially in the time that we are living in right now. But do not be discouraged, okay? Because at the end of the day, what you need to always remember is, I let me say this. This is how I think about it, okay? I shall not lack. I shall not lack because I am a child of the Most High King. I am his daughter, okay? And God is going to make sure I'm good. Either way, whatever happened, okay? Just remember that. You know, you're going to be good. You're going to be okay. He's going to watch over you. He's going to keep you. It says, I will bless you in the city. I will bless you in the field. I will bless you coming in. I'll bless you going out. It don't matter where I'm at, what state the world is in. I'm going to be good. I'm going to be okay. And that's what you do. If you're feeling anxious, if you're feeling uneasy about what is going on in the world, what's going on with everything, then you just look in the mirror and remember, I'm going to be okay. I am going to be fine. The Lord has me. My Father, he has me. My Heavenly Father has me. He's got me. And I am not going to fall out of the palm of his hand. So just say that. Feel encouraged by that. Okay? All right. I hope you all have an amazing day on tomorrow. And I'll see you in the next one. Love you all. Bye.